Kucoin. Kucoin are now coming in for Terra Classic. Kucoin want to support, they want to give huge support towards Terra Classic burning. Remember, they are the number 10 Terra Classic LUNC burner. I know so many people will be expecting Kucoin to be the second after Binance. Okay, exchanges that have been burning huge Terra Classic coin, but Kucoin is not even number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. They are number 10, and very soon they might be dropping to the number 12. And they have been showing great support. I remember there was a time that was last year, they stake over 46 to 47 billion coins of Terra Classic was staked on Kucoin. So that staking alone then was even bigger than the total burn of Terra Classic. Remember, when you burn coin or when you stake a particular coin, that number of staking or burning will be subtracted, will be removed from the circulating supply. So Kucoin in the past, for me, I think they've really done something huge for Terra Classic, because they actually staked over that amount, 47. But in terms of burning Terra Classic, in terms of destroying Terra Classic LUNC coin, Kucoin have been able to destroy just 162,416,328 Terra Classic LUNC coin has been destroyed. Yes, over 162 million coins of Terra Classic being destroyed by Kucoin. Okay, so for me, I think that number is a number you see Binance normally burn in just half a day. Okay, sometimes you see Binance burning that number half a day. In fact, Terra Classic total burn based on daily basis is bigger than that. So I think Kucoin right now, they really need to give us support, especially in the area of burning Terra Classic coin. The way they actually supported that in the area of staking, which they actually hit a huge number. I wish they can really do same thing towards the burning of Terra. I wish they can show same support towards the burning of Terra Classic. But for now, I think they promised that they will soon burn huge coins of Terra Classic LUNC. Well, let's hope for the best, and I wish Kucoin and other exchanges will definitely burn huge coins of Terra Classic LUNC coin. Once again, thank you.